So,
Thank you.
unang-una, kami po, nagmadali kami para mapasa yung batas na yan. Sana po, madaliin nyo rin yung pag-implement ng batas, no? Si Director Abad is here. Mukhang mayroon siyang information na gustong i-share sa atin. Director Abad?
Mr. Chair,
Yusek Wimpy?
Mr. Chair, if I may
Yes,
provide some
Yusek
update.
Adriano.
I'm from the Department of Finance.
Yes.
So the law was signed yesterday.
Yes.
And I can confirm that there are basically two triggers. One is the 80 USD dollar should be breached, and that has been breached.
Okay.
And then the second is there should be some recommendation from the DBCC.
Yes.
Now, in terms of the timeline po, kasi may 15 days na para publication and effectivity. So the earliest that the President can issue the EO is around April 12 or 13 po, if I'm not mistaken with my numbers. In terms of the update on the DBCC, we will already be meeting on Friday. And then definitely we will come up with recommendation by next week so that as soon as the law is in effect by around April 13,
Okay.
the President can already issue that EO if
Okay.
ever.
We here in the Senate, because we prioritize this measure, no? Prioritize natin to on our own and upon the certification of urgency of the President, we also hope that we will act with urgency. At kung ang pinakamaaga legally ay April 12 or April 13, inaasahan namin na mangyayari nga ito by April 12 or April 13.